We have just 2 days to go to the end of pre-launch promo price of the most affordable CFO land, sought after property in the heart of Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome. And for my return subscribers, thank you so much for coming back again. Today, I want to take you on a drone tour from Zenytal Garden City and Macario Luxury Place down to Zenytal Gardens here in Eleranigbe, going straight like this, going to Eleranigbe, going to Lekki, and going to Deep Seaport Refinery and the likes. So this junction, this is Eleranigbe bus stop, and to my right down is going to the new Lekki International Airport and going to Ekpe, going to Jebu-Ode and going to the east. And from this junction to the new airport is just 5-minute drive. So we are entering Eleranigbe street now. This Eleranigbe road is a federal road. So they are going to expand this road. They are going to expand this road because this road is going to connect to Fort Miller Bridge or going to Ikorodu, connected to mainland and going to Lekki, Ikoyi, Via, and different parts of Lagos State, Nigeria. Also from Eleranigbe bus stop to Eleko is just 10-minute drive, and also close by to Pan Atlantic University at Eleko. So we have so many estates along this Eleranigbe region. So we just passed one of the estates, is called Solace. So we have bungalows for sale at Solace by the left here. So I'll be pointing to other properties that we have along this area that you can take advantage of now because they are selling for pre-launch promo price. And the best time to buy any properties is when it's on pre-launch promo price, because it's selling below market price and it gives you time to actually acquire as many plots or acres that you can acquire before market price or before price increase, right? Also, we have Zenytal Gardens still selling price. Zenytal Gardens facing the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, and all this property that I'm talking about, they have a great title, government allocation CFO, right? And I want to really beg you, I want to really implore you, please don't just buy properties anyhow. Make sure that you buy genuine property and title land, and make sure that you do your proper due diligence. Due diligence is very, very important, so that I will not fall into the hand of the scammers or the fraudulent developers or government agency. Please make sure that you do your proper due diligence very, very well. You can see that this road has been tarred from Lekki Ekpe Expressway down to Zenytal Gardens and Lekki Havana, and after Zenytal Gardens. I could remember a few months ago, last year, if you come to this area or if you drive down to this area, you can't even bring your small car to this area because everywhere was sandy. Even though if you want to drive Sequoia on this road, oh my God, you have to be an expert, a serious pilot. But now, from Lekki Ekpe Expressway, you can drive down your Lamborghini or Ferrari to Zenytal Gardens, Lekki Havanas, and other beautiful estates we have in this corridor now. This is one of our estates by the right here. It's called Mikasa. So it's selling for pre-launch promo price now. Pre-launch promo price. And it has a great title, Government Allocation C of O. Government Allocation C of O. And also, if you are buying properties, make sure that the estates have enough setback from the government road And make sure that you don't buy property built around canal or on top of canal in order to avoid any form of demolition in Lagos State. So this is Lekki Havana phase 2 right here. The sales is closed on Lekki Havana for now. The sales is closed on it. You know the meaning of that? By the time we reopen back to the market, price will have increased. So this is Zenytal Gardens, rightly beside Lekki Havana phase 2. And you can see massive development ongoing on at Zenytal Gardens right now. That's why I want to really encourage you to come and buy as many plots or acres or hectares that you can buy now before price increase or before the promo end on the 10th of this month of November. On the 10th of this month of November, because this property here is the most affordable CFO land in this location right now, and with 12 months interest free. With 12 months interest free. You can't see this kind of offer in this area. Go and check everywhere. You can't see this kind of offer in this region or in this location. Go and check everywhere. A plot selling for 25 and with 12 months interest free. Go and check it. Everywhere you can see it. You can see it. That's why I want to really encourage you to please buy as many plots or acres or hectares that you can buy now before price increase or everything sold out, because we have just limited plots available for this pre-launch promo price right now, and after the promo it's going to be selling for 35 million or 40 million naira. The land is 100% dry land and it's called with a great title, government allocation CFO. It's not under any encroachment or any form of demolition at all, and you are going to enjoy great amenities at Zenytal Gardens. Our 500 square meter is selling for pre-launch promo price of 25 million naira, all inclusive, and the 300 square meter is selling for 15 million naira total package. While 1000 square meter for commercial is selling for 60 million naira, all inclusive, nothing like hidden charges. And with 3 million I can secure a plot of residential, and with 5 million I can secure a plot of commercial right here before price increase or everything sold out. Remember that the promo is going to end on the 10th of November, both for pre-launch promo price and 12 months interest free. After the promo and price increase, there will be additional on 12 months payment plan and 6 months payment plan. But now you can still take advantage of this pre-launch promo price and this special discount ongoing now on Zenytal Gardens to buy as many acres or plots that you can buy right now before everything sold out. So thank you so much for watching to the end, and please remember to subscribe my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notification for more such video about real estate investment opportunity here in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria, so that I will be the first to notify whenever I come with this great real estate investment opportunity in Nigeria. Thank you.